So today we'll take a look at how you can add a border to an image in Photoshop. It's pretty simple. You just want to make sure your layer doesn't have a padlock on it, which will be here. If it is, just double click on it to get it off. Now to add the border, once we have our layer selected, we just want to double click here. Don't click on the name. Just click on the side and it's going to open up this window here called Layer Style. Once we're in Layer Style, we can go over here and we can select Stroke and click into that menu. If we can just adjust the size, you'll see that our picture of the lemur, the border begins to grow. If we just leave that at about this size for the purpose of the tutorial, we can also select colour, and that can let us just pick different colours for our border. If we would like something like a gradient, we can also select those. As you can see here, we have a nice black on the bottom, white on the top fading gradient. We can also select different colours, so here's like a bluish one, as you can see. And we can also do patterns as well, if that's more your thing. As we see, we got some nice fitting like grass themed ones. The jungle one, I think the one it was originally on works quite well for this picture, I think. But either way, once you've done and you've selected what you'd like to apply, you can also play with some of these settings here. We just click OK. And as you can see, our image now has a border. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.